Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add grain to your photos in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add grains to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, select the photo that you want to add grains to. Now simply choose the edit option at the bottom menu and select the effects option, and here you'll see three options: effect, vignette and grain. Simply click on grain and increase the amount according to your preference, just like this. And you can also increase the size of the grain according to your need, just like this. Now to clearly see the grain, what you can do is simply click on light option here and decrease the exposure, and similarly decrease the contrast. And now if we zoom in, you can see lots of grains in our photo, and just like that you can add grains to your photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.